Hello everyone, I am Diana Paola Diaz Mesa. I am a student of English at the University UNAP. Today we are going to answer a series of the questions about my experience with a critical incident during my pedagogy internship. Question 1. Why is this incident important to you? I was important because it helped me to face this situation in the classroom. I must say that I feel a little scared because it is the first time it is happening to me. But then God, I was able to handle the situation at the best way. Question 2. What happened directly before the events? Before the events, we were doing an activity in Spain where they were going to answer at the question taking in the school the topic countable and uncountable nouns. What happened? Question 3. What happened immediately after that event? After even I was able to give a reflection that we that the students were with all participants. Question 4. How did Reddit undertain other events? Thank God I was able to read in the south and the fair manner according to the situation had happened with currents uh, and was able to call the incident. Question 5. What was your interpretation on the event? What I gather from the event is that a couple of the students disagreed on the activity they were doing. They both had different points of the view and instead of the debate assertively they did it with shouting and raising their voice in the classroom. Question 6. What underlying assumption about your teaching does the critical incident rise for you? It's teaching me the great lesson about encouraging tolerance amongst students that we learn to deal with it in the best way and especially to know how to handle the situation. Question 7. Now that you have reflection on the critical incident, while you read differently, it is where to happen again, with or with no. I were century read in the sounding way. I feel that I was in the control of the situation and was able to reflection with the student about the mistake they were in the so much that they apologized to me and to their classmates. Thank you.